Welcome to my channel, where I do stuff and record it. Today, I'm sure you're all hyped up because I am reviewing the Gravity Z. That's it, it's called the Gravity Z. It is a helicopter. I got it for $1 at Walmart, so I thought I'd make a video about it. And it has a nice box. It opens really nicely. It's got tabs. It says it needs 4 AAAs, but I got 3. Alright, enough about that. So you get... God, I don't have anything to open this with. It's a cool little... Got the power button, this button, and then up. I think that's it. I'm not sure how you're supposed to fly a helicopter with just that. Oh, it's got instructions. Probably won't use those. Come on. Really shiny packaging. I don't know why this is on clearance, and I'm hoping to find out. And for $1 helicopter, hopefully it does something. Is it? Ooh. It comes charged, maybe. I bet if I read the instructions, it probably says to charge it before I use it. But I don't have time for that. Take these cool plastic things off. Got a open thing right there. Oh my god, this one's a little exploded. Focus. It's brown. That one's exploded. That one's exploded. I got one. I got 1 out of 3. I personally believe that AAA batteries should not exist. AAA. Put that back on there. Just tilt it down, I guess. I don't know. I can't see my face. Yes. So, oh, that's a power button. Okay, that's a power button. There's a button on the bottom. What the? Okay, so there's this thing. This is a infrared receiver, this little black box. These are infrared senders. You can actually see them on cameras. You see them blinking. So that sends that signal, and then this receives it. I was pointing at the front, and I gotta be pointing at the butt of it. Oh god. It's got a little left and right thing, so you can make sure it flies straight, which it's definitely not. Why is this? The back of this propeller is facing up. Why is it facing up? These are supposed to be to the side. I am like 90% sure. Oh god. Stop! How do I go left and right? It's just up and down. Oh my god. Come down! Oh, this is the best helicopter I've ever seen. This button is to go up. You just press it and it goes up forever. It doesn't go left and right. It just goes up and down. Come back. I think it's supposed to fly in a circle. So you use this top thing to make it fly in the circle. Alright, I'm gonna give this a shot. Oh. And it's dead. Wait. Nope, it's flying. Oh god, stop! I don't know how to tell whether it's dead or not. Point at the butt. Nope. Oh, okay. No. My final review on this. It's a helicopter. It goes up and down. It works. For some reason, propeller's like this, and it should be sideways, like this. And it's up. It should be like that. I'm not sure why the infrared sensor's on the butt. It should be like right here, pointing down. There's no left and right. It constantly flies in a circle, and like the only thing you can do is the up and down like that. I'm not sure what this does. I should probably read the manual, which I didn't. That's probably my fault. You can fly up to 3 of them though at the same time. Yep, it works. This is a great product. You know, besides the delay of, if you let go of all the buttons, it'll still fly. It did it that time though. I feel like it was worth $1. I feel like this investment was worth $1. If it's your kid's first time flying a helicopter and you know he's gonna destroy it or completely lose it, I would completely advise it. Specifically a indoor helicopter, but I'm gonna stretch the limits and try it outside. I should also note that there is like extreme wind today, so it could affect the results just a little bit. Probably can't hear me that well because of all the wind. This is the outdoor test. Just gonna go for it. It didn't even take off, it just kind of like went up and crashed. I'm gonna say that's it for this review. It's pretty okay. Don't fly it in wind, fly it indoors. Bye.